Welcome to this POP practice. Pause, observe, proceed. It's a 3-step practice that you can do when you're feeling overwhelmed or simply want to recharge, focus, and connect with yourself. This can help calm the body and strengthen the brain. So I invite you to sit comfortably in a chair, on the floor, or you can lie down. And the first step is to pause, allowing yourself to take a break from doing. And noticing the breath moving in and out of the body. One inhalation and one exhalation at a time, not having to change a thing. And notice 3 conscious breaths, resting your awareness on the breath moving in and out of the body. And next, observe, noticing the body, sensations in the body, coolness, warmth, pulsation, tension, hunger, fullness, clothes touching the body, sensations in the body. And you may notice feelings, thoughts, observing, and allowing what's there to be there. Noticing with compassion and curiosity. Connecting with yourself as you are in this moment. And the third phase is to proceed. And in this stillness, with intention and presence, proceed. Take the next step. It doesn't have to be the perfect step, but it's taken with intention and with conscious awareness and more presence. So that next step might be to continue to sit in silence or to get something to eat, connect with a friend, work on a specific task, take a walk or exercise. Whatever it is, take that next step, showing up fully. So as we close, I invite you to take a moment to recognize and thank yourself for taking this time to practice. And when you hear the bell, you can continue to sit or move on to what's next. And remembering that you can access this practice anytime, day or night, even for 30 seconds. You can pause, observe, proceed, pop into the present moment. May you be well.